Welcome to my channel again. Viewers, today's topic is how to omit or remove only or alone, and what words should be used in the place of only or alone. It's a very simple lesson, everyone can learn, but you have to watch the video till the end, and you are also requested to subscribe my channel and share it and write comment, and don't forget to press the bell icon for getting further notification. So let's start. Today's topic is only or alone. How we can use or omit only or alone, and which words should we use in the place of only or alone. And look at the heading here, only or alone. Here are two options. You can find two options. None but is used in respect of person. None but, and we can use also nothing but, and nothing but is used in respect of everything except person. None but আমরা ব্যবহার করি মানুষের পরিবর্তে, nothing but আমরা ব্যবহার করব মানুষ বাদে অন্য কারো কিছুর পরিবর্তে. Now I have written some examples here. So look at the example here. Only he came here. Only he came here. This sentence it expresses the meaning that here came only one person and he is he. Now no other person came here. So in the place of only, you just only write one thing. You should consider that only refers here he. This word only refers the word he. So he is a human being or a person. So what should we use here? We use none but. In the place of none but, only we can use in the place of only we use none but, and remaining part of the sentence will be the same. only দিয়ে হি কে বোঝাচ্ছে, হি যেহেতু মানুষ তাহলে আমরা এখানে none but নেব আর বাকি সেন্টেন্সটা একই থাকবে. So now we come to the next example. I will buy only books. I will buy only books. What does the sentence mean? That I will buy no other thing except book. My concern is to only buy books. I will not buy pen, pencil or other things. I will buy only a books. So here only, this word refers which word? This word refers the word books. As book is human being or non-human? You ask the question. The word, which word only refers? Here only refers the word book. So as book is not a human being or not a person, so we use what should we use? Nothing but. So here in the place of only we use nothing but. I will buy nothing but books. So it will be the answer. It is the answer. So I will buy nothing but books. So if we find some sentence only, what should we do? At first we think that only, which word only refers? Here only refers the word just after it. Only or just after it. Only, here the word only he. So only refers he as it is human being or non-human being? It's a human being. Okay, fine. So the answer will be we use none but. So none but he came. Next, number 2 example. I will buy only books. What does the word only refers to? Only refers the next word. That means here books. Books are human being or non-human? Yes, it's clearly non-human being. So we use nothing but. Here in the place of only we use nothing but. So here I will buy nothing but books. Number 3 example. Here she was alone in the field. Here the word comes alone. Here the word alone. Here alone. She was alone in the field. The sentence means that there was no one in the field except she. She is the only person present. She was the only person present in the field. So this word, what alone, this word refers she or field. Which word does the word she refers? She alone refers here. Which word does alone refer here? She or field? Notice here, alone always, alone refers the word before it. Alone refers the word before it, not after it. So as she, this word is before alone, so alone refers she. Alone refers she. So she is human being or non-human being? She is human being. So use in the place of alone none but. But you must remember that you should not write she was none but in the field. It will be a wrong question, because none but and nothing but always sits, always used just before the word they refer. So alone, in the place of alone we take none but, as it is human being. But when we write the answer, we use none but just before she. So here the answer, none but she was in the field. অ্যালোন যদি থাকে তাহলে অ্যালোনের পূর্বে যে ওয়ার্ড সেটাকে এটা বোঝাবে, এবং যখন অ্যালোনের পরিবর্তে অ্যালোন মানুষকেই বোঝাবে, এবং অ্যালোনটা পরিবর্তে যখন আমি নান বাটটা ব্যবহার করব তখন ঠিক যাকে বোঝাবে তার আগে বসবে। সো it is the explanation of the use of only and alone. Now I will give some example.